So we're going to make some muffins. What flavor muffins are we making? Blueberry. This is our portable camp oven that we ordered off Macari. It had gone on quite the journey. Now we got it on Macari because it was cheaper than on Amazon. When we got it, it was never used. It came in a box, and it would look like it came from 1998. Everything factory packed. However, we bought it. It came from Virginia, and it dropped off at FedEx, and then it was, yeah, it was there. It got dropped off and then disappeared for about 2 weeks. And Macari's process or warranty or claim is it's got to be 30 days past the last scan. So like the 31st of July it was scanned, and then like the 3rd of August it was scanned into the system at FedEx and then vanished. And then all of a sudden I look one day and it's in our Milwaukee area FedEx facility. It's like 2.5 weeks later. And then I look the next day and it's in Columbus, Ohio's FedEx facility. And then a week later it comes back to the Milwaukee area FedEx. And the next day it comes via mail. So it took about 3.5 weeks to get this. So I'm preheating the oven. I've got a heater in here, or a thermometer in there, because I don't know how accurate this thermometer is going to be. And we are going to have, whatever you call it, heat stains on it. And I'm not sure if it's better to put it on the center of one and leave the other one off, or what, because I've never done this before. So I'm just going to put it on one full blast and have the center. I know, but when I do both, it's half on half. Oh. So essentially it's like just having one. Now internal temperatures show we're already at 277 and climbing. 284 and climbing. So I'm going to get the mix made. We've got a little 6-inch pan, got at a yard sale for $2, and got a muffin tin, so I will get that going and make our next move. So this is the mix that we're going to use. If you look at the instructions, it says you should add milk, which is not necessarily correct, because we can add just water and it will do basically the same thing. So I'm going to get that mixed up, and we'll take it 400 degrees, 14 to 16 minutes. We are at 300 degrees, and my thermometer has maxed out over here. So one's right, one's wrong, I don't know. There is a lot of heat. I can see a lot of steam coming up. So this may be one of these, monitor it, and neither one is completely accurate. So
okay, so Joey's a happy little baker here. I put the liners in the muffin tin.
Oh, you want to tell everybody you participated?
Yeah, I have to get my credit. So now he's filling up the things.
What does the thermometer say on it?
The thermometer now says 350, I think.
Yeah.
I don't know, I went to public school. So anyway, this one is maxed out. It says beef.
No, it's the other number, the Triple H.
Oh.
So it says 2/3 full, and it'll do 6. So I've got.
You gotta fill the other one up a bit more.
Yeah, I've got to get as much off of this as possible. And again, this is going to be one of these watch and check as you go. They do have, other brands have a window inside of their oven front door, so you can kind of monitor. I think they're pretty much even.
This one in the front here. Okay, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so it's probably muffin time.
Probably muffin time. We've got up to 325 for funsies. I just took and plugged these 2 holes here, which have done absolutely nothing. So 325.
Oh, they look done.
It came out clean.
All right. Ooh, tasty muffins.
Okay, so they look done, but they are burnt. So if you open them up, they're not terrible.
Yeah, we can eat around it.
So we have learned,
We'll have to move the rack.
we'll move the rack, we're on bottom, we'll move it up to the top and then monitor even more. Maybe even do, this is not accurate.
Yeah.
So maybe it was at almost 400 plus degrees, 500 in there with the thermometer, and put these at medium heat and try it again next time. So can be done just like anything, fidgety, touchy. So it's not a total waste, but we know what we potentially have done wrong now. So muffins on an off-grid campsite, it can be done. Just got to learn the quirks about the oven.